IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lotto results.
Maganda bigat. Idol John, daytoy iti PCSO Lotto result tayo. Manipo di dirabii, 9 p.m. draw. Para ito Ultra Lotto 658. Winning combinations are number 11, number 20, number 16, number 30, number 8, and number 57. With a jackpot prize of 49 million pesos 500,000. Daksang gasat taon na ngabak para metiti Mega Lotto 645. Winning combinations are 37, 25, 36, number 12, number 21, and number 35. With a jackpot prize of 28,188,025 pesos. Awan na ngabak para metiti PCSO STL. First draw, Idikalman, Pompiang, 37. Second draw, Pompiang Manen, 15. And last draw, Idirabii, 14, 30. Kadwayo, 99.5 IFM Lawag, siyak ni Idol Shanti Papi, Tata Carmen.
IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lotto results.